Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete or remove an administrator account on Windows 11. First, open Settings. On the left pane, click on Accounts. Next, select Other Users. Here, you will see all the accounts available on your computer. Locate the administrator account you want to remove, then click on it. Now click on Remove. A confirmation message will appear warning you that all data associated with the account will be deleted. Click Delete Account and Data to confirm. That's it. The administrator account has now been successfully removed from your Windows 11 PC. Now click on the Start button, then click on the Power button and lock the screen. Here, you will notice that the Shannon account is no longer available. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows 11 tutorials and tech tips.